Hi, this is Stephanie Manley with Copycat.com. January is my favorite month of the whole year. Why? It's time for my third annual Super Bowl recipe contest. So hey, for the last 3 years, people just like yourself have been entering in some of their favorite recipes. And you know what? We've had fabulous recipes. We've had delightful wontons. We have had some delicious queso and all kinds of great recipes by people just like yourself. So if you are a YouTuber or a fellow blogger, or perhaps you're just someone that loves to cook, you know what? I bet you have a fabulous recipe. So I encourage you to enter it in at copycat.com for our contest. Hey, so what would you win? Well, you can win a Hamilton Beach Set It and Forget It crock pot, and if you're a runner-up, you can win one of my cookbooks, which, hey, it ain't so bad. So consider entering in your favorite recipe at the Copycat.com Super Bowl contest. The rules and the details are available there, so hey, good luck!